So the second question is from Indu Bajaj. Okay, and the question is, in a particular situation where stakes are high, as a leader, you take a decision. Now you got the team rallied around you, and midway you realize that your decision was wrong. Would you roll back the decision, or will you go ahead because you have already taken the decision and try to make the best out of the wrong decision? What would be your take, Milan? Over to you, please.
So I think this is also a very nice, very good question of Indu Bajaj, a compliment to ask such question.
Thank you.
What I would say that every leader, no leader can say that they never made a wrong decisions. Every leader makes the decision. I learned one thing in my life many years back when first time I was a business controller and I had to work on something. I was hesitant because I have never made such decisions. And when I took it, I was more or less put in a situation to decide on something very important matter. And I made a decision. Then I told my boss, this is the decision I made. You were overseas. And the CEO at that time, the country president, said, congratulations, you took a courage to decide. Now, this decision is right or wrong is another aspect. But most people are afraid to take a decision. So I would say that in the situation like Indu describes, that somebody has decided and realized that decision is wrong. I would say if I'm that situation, I would look at it and say, okay, we have decided, but is this right? And what is the gravity of the situation? If this is a wrong decision, I would do a two-way stakeholder management. One, I will inform my seniors in the type of company like Wellestar to my investors that look, this is a decision done, but it is not right in this time. And second, I will align with my team. So if I give a quick example of current situation of COVID, we were scheduled to launch a couple of products in the month of March and April in few countries, same time. We were to launch few products in India, we were to launch few products in Singapore, and we were to launch few products in Indonesia in the month of May. With COVID situation coming, these were all decisions done last year, and the products were under stability trials. Now, what happens? We cannot go ahead, but we have sunk in the money, okay? Now, do we go and launch a product in a bad timing? No, it's wrong. So we align our stakeholder and said, look, we are going to delay the launch post-COVID. We have some people joined us to launch those products. The product managers come in, sales directors have come in. So we align them and say, guys, we're not going to fire you. We're going to maintain your salaries. But the launch will get delayed in the more ideal time.
Right.
Okay. So you look at a situation, and I would say that if a decision is wrong, nothing wrong, it's best thing to admit and try to work with the stakeholder, could be your seniors, could be your investor, could be your team, and come out with a new best decision and which is the best for the company and the team.
Right. Okay. Right. So you are basically saying that connecting with the stakeholders, the management first, and then the people within the team. Right? Is that the correct understanding?
Most management is a very mature to understand. If you say Peter Drucker, which was a modern management guru, said many years back, what you do, why you do, you need to be clear about it. So same way, if you have decided something in your life and which was not correct, best thing to say and rationalize what made you to decide and what are the change in circumstances to realize that decision was right maybe that time, but not right at this time. So you don't continue to prove yourself right or to hide, because it will come out one day. So best thing to engage the people and then win people's trust. Once you people trust you, win, people are with you.
So those of you who have missed the interview from the beginning, you can watch the full interview on my YouTube channel, The Process Pro, Kaushik Majumdar. Now, viewers, you know the drill. Please go ahead and hit the like and share buttons. And for regular updates, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. For any comments or suggestion, of course, if you have any question for the icons, you can put that in the comment sections and we'll get the answers.